telling you she wanted my number. You should have just stayed.
You're dreaming, man. She wasn't interested at all.
Are you nuts? Did you see how close we were dancing? She wasn't much.
Oh, wait.
Ryan, am I crazy? Tell him what you saw.
Hey, you want some French fries? Hello? Talking to you, hey.
No, thank you.
Sure? They're really good.
Don't ignore him. He's being nice to you.
Is something funny, asshole? Isn't it rich? Are we ahead? Me here at last on the ground, and you in midair, sending the clowns. Isn't it bliss? Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around and one who can't move. Where are the clowns? There ought to be clowns. So, buddy, tell us what's so fucking funny?
Nothing. I have a condition.
I'll tell you what you have, you asshole. We got a kicker, huh? Hey, hold him steady, Stay down, freak.
Right there, next up, on this point.